Hi, my name is Mayukha Vadari, and today I'm going to be talking to you about amendments for the XRPL. For those who aren't familiar, the XRPL does not currently have any smart contracts. So the way that you have to make changes to add new features are you have to sort of put them directly in the protocol. And the way that you make those changes, that process is called amendments. Similar to amendments to a constitution or a legal thing, basically everyone has to come together and agree on what to add. So the way this process works is first someone writes up all of the code to add it to the XRPL. And then once enough people have upgraded their software to the latest version, then they can start the voting process. The way that the voting process works is that every validator can vote on whether they think that this amendment is ready and safe and all of that for the XRPL. So 2 weeks from when that threshold is hit, that 80% threshold, the amendment goes live. And then everyone who is building on top of the XRP ledger has access to that feature. One example of such an amendment would be NFTs. The NFT code was worked on for several months before it was deemed safe enough to release to the public. And then it took another 6 months or so to go through the voting process. And now it's live and everyone can use it. So this is the xrpl.org Explorer. You can visit at livenet.xrpl.org. And this is the page that specifically talks about what amendments are currently undergoing voting or have been approved in the past. So as you can see right now, we have about 7 different amendments that are available to be voting. The most prominent of these would be the AMM amendment, which currently has 21 votes, 21 UNL votes. There is a total of 34 voters on the UNL right now. And so to hit a threshold of 80%, 28 of them need to be voting for this amendment. So we're currently at about 62%. And once that hits 80%, a countdown will start for 2 weeks. And after that, the amendment will go live. One example that I mentioned earlier of an amendment that has already gone live is NFTs, which is this one right here, non-fungible tokens V1. And that one went live on October 31st, 2022. And now we're just waiting for these other amendments to go live and working on additional amendments to continue to see what the XRP ledger is capable of now. And continuing to build more amendments for the future so that we can continue to grow the XRP ledger and have even more awesome features.